arguments to leave a lasting impact? Here's how to make them unforgettable. To make your argument impactful, focus on clarity and emotion. Start with a bold, attention-grabbing statement. For example, dogs have saved countless lives as service animals, therapy companions, and loyal protectors. Cats can't compete with that. Use vivid language to create a picture. Instead of simply saying, "Dogs are good pets," say, "Dogs greet you with wagging tails, comfort you when you're sad, and protect your home with unwavering loyalty." Support your statement with strong evidence or a relatable story. For instance, studies show that dog owners are 30% more likely to achieve their daily exercise goals thanks to regular walks and outdoor play. Plus, service dogs have transformed the lives of thousands by assisting people with disabilities. Finally, end with a memorable conclusion that reinforces your position. You could say, "Dogs aren't just pets. They're life-saving companions who enrich our lives in ways cats never could." Your delivery is just as important. Use pauses for emphasis, adjust your tone to match your message, and speak with conviction. The way you deliver your points can make them resonate even more. Make your arguments unforgettable with these techniques. And follow us for more tips and check out our virtual speech and debate classes where we build confidence and communication skills.